Hey everyone, it's Lindsay from My Crafty Plans. I am super excited. I am going to be unboxing my Simply Gilded 12 Days of Christmas live. I'm doing it all in one day, all in one shot. I have not opened this. You are seeing me see it for the very first time. I am so excited to get this. It literally, I just grabbed this from the mailbox and I'm filming this like 20 seconds later. Not really, but like 20 minutes later because we're actually leaving for vacation tomorrow. So this came like literally the last day it could have come. Otherwise, I would have had to wait all the way till next year to get it. So I'm not planning on waiting. I'm planning on ripping through this. So if you don't want to see what's inside the box, look away. This is your last chance. This will contain epic spoilers. So look away now if you don't want to see what's in the box. It did just come with this, like covering all of the packaging, this is so cute, and I just love this. And I might even like just put this up in my office for a little while. And then here are all the boxes. So I'm gonna go in order. These are all sealed. I have not opened them. So this is real-time reaction to this. I haven't looked at any spoilers, which I'm really proud of myself for, because usually I look at all the spoilers. So anyway, I am gonna go in order and I am gonna open this. All right, so here is day one. It feels like washi. It's in this lovely floral thing. I'm gonna like save all of these because like I feel like you could do even like something cute for like a birthday setup with some of these numbers. Anyways, they're all sealed with these juniper seals. Sorry, my friend Juniper, you are gonna get ripped on all of these. I'm not a juniper sticker saver, so sorry if that offends you, but I am gonna yank these all open to see what's inside. Oh my gosh, that is pretty. So first up, we have this gorgeous floral with champagne gold, and I love floral bow washes. They are some of my favorites. So let me pop open the 15 millimeter. So that is open. That is the washi. The floral matches the bag. How cute is that? So it's like spoiler alert on the bags. I wonder if all of the bags match. And then let me lay this down and zoom you in. This is beautiful. Already we are off to an amazing start here. I love that. We'll definitely be keeping it. Oh my gosh. So happy. I'm just so excited to be filming this because like I said, we are literally leaving tomorrow. Okay, here is day two with this beautiful gold polka dots. And again, Juniper, sorry, you are gonna get. It is a confetti dot one, silver foil in teal, super cute, very adorable, love that. Yeah, so kind of a spoiler because it's got the dots, but doesn't look like the packaging exactly like one. So that is 1 and 2. 3 is in stripey. This is the first non-washi. I can feel that it's not washi. Let me zoom out a little bit. Anyway, this is so much fun. Oh my gosh, this is so much fun. I'm having a good time. Anyway, oh my gosh, that's so cute. It's sticky notes and it says the nice list and they are foiled. I love sticky notes. Yay, this is so much fun. It's got like this cute brown packaging and it's just the nice list. That's so cute. It's not like, I like that it's not like super Christmassy. And that was the packaging and it's got like listing 1 through 10 and they are, it's just a notepad. They're not sticky notes. It's just a notepad, but it's just this really cute notepad with pink and gold foil. Okay, here is day 4, also not washi, in white packaging. So let's go ahead and open it and see what's inside. I am so happy this came. I got my shipping. I feel like I was one of the last people to get shipping notification. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I was like one of the last people to get a shipping notification. And then but fortunately I live pretty close because I am in Texas. That is so cute. It is a rose gold bow washi magnet. I love magnets. And this is adorable. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So that is day 4. Here is my day 5. Yeah, so so then it originally came and it said it was going to be shipped out on Friday or come on Friday. And I was like, maybe it'll come fast as long as UPS doesn't mess up really badly here. And fortunately it didn't come it took a very direct route and it got here and I picked it up on Thursday and we are flying out Friday morning. So perfect. This is 5. It's a double washi roll. I can feel that. And it is in plain pink packaging. Oh, that is That is pretty. This is so much fun. Oh my gosh, I'm having the best time doing this, in case you can't tell. Anyway, let me grab, actually, I don't even think, I'm not in gold. I don't have a similar purple in gold at all. What is this similar to? I have like my pre-sale order in front of me and a bunch of other washies in front of me. I'm trying to see if I even have like, this was the periwinkle, I think. I don't know what this was, but that's maybe the closest. Oh, this was from like a recent release, I think. But yeah, this is not, I don't have any purple and gold washies that are like remotely close to this. I'm pulling open my drawer. The classic purple, which I only have in the mini, is like totally different. So this is very pretty. I feel like I was just out of frame for all of that. So if this gets edited weird, this was the day 5 purple, and it is stunning, and it's got champagne foil, and I love it. Okay, this is 6. I'm fairly certain this is 6 because the labels are sticking the right way. This is 6. Ooh, what does it feel like? Not washy. I don't know. Let's open it and find out. And it is bows. Okay, so it's like the same bows that were in the last mystery box, like the rose gold love mystery box, whatever that was called. It's like a chain and a bow clip. I will say this is not my favorite thing in the box, and I love bows, but I have found that the Simply Gilded bow quality, when they're included, really leaves something to be desired. And you can see this is like pretty janked up. Not to say I won't use it, and they're on gold bow clips, but like, look, this is already like messed up. Why'd they use these lobster claws that are like so gigantic? I mean, I figured I wasn't gonna love everything in the box, but this is the first one that I have been like not super into. This is like, I just don't feel like compared to like when you buy bows from a bow shop like K&Co XOXO or Just Giovanna or Blush Bow Boutique, I feel like you get something that's a little bit higher quality, but this is like it's certainly a pretty color, and this one actually feels better than any of the other ones that I've gotten, but this feels like on par with other ones that I've gotten, the charm one. Okay, moving on. What are we on? We're on 7. Are we on 7? Yes, we're on 7. It's washy. I can feel that it's washy. It's in this really cute navy with a bow container. And so here we go. Oh, swans. I hate swans. All right, I will definitely be destashing this, so I'm not going to open it. I really, really fiery passion hate swans. I was like chased by one as a child, actually. They're very unkind. They are an unkind bird. This is actually pretty cute, though. And I'm not a bird lover, and I like the little flowers, though, and they're like a little paired together. So this is actually pretty cute, but I'm probably going to try and trade or destash this because I'm trying not to keep washies that I'm like never going to use, and like I don't know if I want swans staring at me. But anyway, or at each other. Okay, day 8. Again, it's a washi. I can feel it. Oh, I like that little packaging seal. Anyway, like I said, I'm not trying to save the junipers. I don't need them, but I am trying to like save at least the fronts of the packaging. I'm gonna make like a birthday sign. I don't know. I'm gonna do something with these packaging. All right, so this one is a little bit harder to rip. And this feels like a thinner washi. Oh, it's really cute. It's a heart and vine. It's a white and silver heart and vine. That's very cute. I like that. White's not my favorite washies, but that's very cute. And it'll be like, that'd be such a cute like decorative border accent on spreads. So very adorable. 9. We made it to 9. And it's a washi. I can feel it. I like feeling that it's a washi. A lot of these have been washies. There's a lot of washies in this. Okay, so here we go. 9. Oh, wow. Oh, come on. Okay, that's going to be like, people are going to be on the hunt for that. Oh, that's really pretty. So it's got like a hint of teal at the top. I don't know if there were like variations throughout with this. I haven't looked at anybody else's. I will definitely have to check that out. But this, it's like the galaxy constellations, which is like some of my fave non-bow washies. And it's like dark blue up to teal. And it's, oh, that's really pretty. And it's hollow foil. Okay, that's amazing. Love that. 10. Again, it's a washi. I can feel it. I like that. It's teal. And we'll see what's inside. We haven't had any rose gold in this, which you guys know I like rose gold, but I feel like all the sub boxes are rose gold, like majority of them. So this is kind of nice. And then, oh, did I speak too soon? This looks like it might be. Nope, that's champagne. It is, okay, white, pink, and teal on the champagne. Let me pop these open, and then I'm going to compare to other mini bows that I have. Okay, so these are the mini bows that just came with this. I'm trying to like not get too high because it makes my lighting weird. And then here are basically what I have that's similar to that. And this is the candy bows mint, the classic pink, and then the white. So the white is obviously the same. And honestly, like I feel like the white has been released several times, and it's, like I said, it's not my favorite. Some people, it's totally their favorite, but it's definitely not my favorite. But yeah, I mean, I'm gonna keep these. But and then the pink, it's definitely a different pink. It's like a little bit brighter of a pink. This, I have the pre-sale washi next to me. I'm seeing if I have one open. I don't, but it's not as dark as the poppy, but it's darker than the blush pink from the pre-sale. It's darker than the classic pink. So it is a really pretty pink. Was there a pink washi in this? I'm trying to make sure I keep all of the pre-sale stuff separate so that I don't accidentally like show it on anything. No, there wasn't. And then as for the mint, it is a little bit different, but it's pretty close. This is the Candy Bows mint, and this is the I got too high. This is the Candy Bows mint, and this is the pre-sale mint, or the Christmas 12 Days of Christmas mint. So it's just a scotch darker, but it's not totally dissimilar. So that is that. I love the 5mm bows though. So like, that's very pretty. Okay. Day 11. We are cruising. Day 11. Oh, I ripped that more than I meant to. Oops. Oh, well, I guess I'm not using that one. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, we have a hollow dark pink polka dot. That is really super pretty. Yeah, I feel like maybe, no, it's not. I was thinking maybe it's pretty similar to the tropical pink. And here is the pink with like champagne gold. So it's like it's much more, and here's like the pre-sale poppy. So all of these are pretty different. It's it's got like a hint of purple in it, like not purple, but like it's like a pink with like a hint of purple, and it's hollow and it's very beautiful. And that is the last washi because 12 doesn't feel like a washi. So here's 12. I'm going to guess a keychain. That's my guess. Okay, we'll see if I'm right. So let us break this open. It is in the black or dark gray container, and it is 12. I don't know if I've never done an advent calendar before. So, I mean, obviously I didn't do this one correctly. I opened them all at once, but I've legitimately not in life, not in anything done an advent calendar. So I don't know if the last day is supposed to be the biggest thing. Oh, I'm right. It's a keychain. Okay. So anyway, this is cute. It's like a juniper keychain. It's not dissimilar to the format that was in the Northern Lights box. So it's got a couple of charms on it, and it's hot. It's in gold, and it's got a bow and a bunny and a rose. So I've said, and this might be an unpopular opinion, I'm not the biggest juniper fan. Not I think it's a fine mascot, but I'm just not into woodland creatures on my stuff. I don't know, but I do really like the bow and the rose, and they're all on separate, and you could totally take them off and make things out of this. You could use that as a planner charm on your TN or on your rings planner. And likewise, I like the rose, even so you can totally do stuff. I can also just take the bunny off and have a slightly smaller keychain. I don't actually really use a keychain. Is that true? I don't know. Anyway, but so that is really, really cute. For me, I like the washi the best, obviously, although I do like that little notepad, but I'm going to pull everything out in front of me again so you can see what everything was. Okay, so this is everything from the 12 Days of Christmas. You did get a bow clip and a bow charm, a magnet that is super cute, a keychain that is pretty cute, although, I mean, objectively speaking, it's adorable. I just am not the hugest juniper fan, but other than that, it is super cute. One notepad, not sticky note, it's actually just a notepad, and then you got 5 15mm washis and 2 10mm washis, plus the heart and vines and the confetti dots, which I believe are 7.5mm, and 3 of the 5mm washi. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, like 9 rolls of washi plus the 3 5mm. So 12 rolls of washi in total for the 12 days of Christmas, plus all these bonus items. It was $54 total was the price on this when you bought it on the pre-sale. And I do think that that's a pretty great value. So I just added up what the washi would have cost, like if the rolls had been sold individually, and I think it should be $42.5 based on her regular pricing. So that is like, you know, everything but $12, and then you also get all of these extras, and the keychains and the magnets tend to be pretty pricey. So I think that this is a good value overall, and obviously some of these are going to be like limited edition, so you're not going to be able to get them if you didn't buy the box. So I am really happy that I got this, and I am really, really happy that it came before I left on vacation and I was able to unbox this for you guys. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd love it if you'd subscribe. Check me out on Instagram at mycraftyplans, and let me know what advent calendars, if any, you got from the planning community this holiday season. Have a happy holidays, everyone. Bye.